Hello friends, today I am talking on the landmarks in dermatology. This is the ninth landmark in dermatology, Paul Ehrlich. He is a person, is a German bacteriologist, and he is also called the father of chemotherapy in medicine. He born in 1854 and died in 1915. The German bacteriologist Paul Ehrlich pioneered the technique of chemotherapy in medicine. From his discovery that certain tissue have a specific affinity for chemicals, he reasoned that organisms causing disease could be selectively killed with the chemical drugs. This led him to the produce aspharamine, the first synthetic drug effective against syphilis. Ehrlich's interest in the respect of medicine had been stimulated by reading an account of the way tissues are affected by lead. It had been shown that the cells of those organs most affected during the lead poisoning also absorb lead in test tube solutions. Certain cells had an affinity for inorganic substances. His work impressed the German Nobel laureate and microbiologist Robert Koch, who offered him a post at the Institute for the Infectious Disease. Ehrlich was particularly interested in finding a drug to cure syphilis, then prevent and crippling disease. Ehrlich wrote reports on the successful use of arsenic compounds against the African sleeping sickness trypanosome, the organism responsible for the syphilis. General poisoning to man. Ehrlich began to look for one which, in inconvenience to man, would destroy the spirochete. In 1910, after testing over 600 compounds, he found the ideal drug arsenopine that proved to be remarkable success. Marketed under the name of Salvarsan, it sold all over the world and made a fortune for Ehrlich. Matter of indifference to him. It was also provided the starting point for the development of the synthetic drugs industry, in which the German chemical plants become leaders with a laboratory at the disposal. Ehrlich turned his attention to diphtheria and pioneered the large-scale production of diphtheria antitoxin in horses. His valuable work on immunology was recognized by the award of the Nobel Prize in the medicine in 1908 to him, along with Russian French biologist Ehrlich. So he is the father of chemotherapy in medicine and a renowned microbiologist.